I feel like I'm lying to you all, probably. Okay, so I come here to discuss politics with you. I tell you what I think about the madness that we are all witnessing, unfolding all across the world. For some of you, I have become a window into the world of politics in general. And I'm very honored that you have given me that very exalted position. Yeah. But you know what I've been thinking? At the end of the day, I just sit in this studio and read the news. Do I even know what is really happening in the world outside? Do I know enough to tell you? Imposter syndrome much? Yeah, we all have it, okay? So I just don't talk random bullshit. Obviously, I have some experience. I have worked with people with too much power. I have reported on people who have too much power. I have written a book with characters based on these people with power. I have told jokes about these people on a stand-up stage and didn't get an FIR, so maybe that was not that great. No, it was! I have done deep dive videos on these same people in power, and I have covered the process of how these people come to power as well in high definition, HD. Long story short, I have been doing something in and around Indian politics for a while now. Yeah, baal pak gaye mere. But do you know what I have never done? I have never gone swimming with local party workers in a remote lake without network coverage while they got blackout drunk and roasted chicken legs. Such an amazing setting to talk about how much money was distributed during the local panchayat election by a particular party that shall not be named.
बीजेपी ने पूरा
I mean, you must have seen videos of the BMC elections and how money is being distributed in lifafas. I have seen them too. But when I actually went and spoke to the people, it kind of blew my mind. You must have noticed lately, I have been, what they call in the business, fucking done. I have been trying to understand politics through the POV of political parties. You know, the people with all the money. Also, the people who work in and around these parties. These people are freaking jaded. They only care about fighting in a very broken, undemocratic party system. These people, yeah, they depress you very much. And to be honest, I am pretty good at depressing myself. I'm leaving them behind and I am going on a wild journey to meet the most insane people out there. I will be traveling to remote places all across the country to meet independent candidates who are fighting all alone and even maybe winning or losing. There is me who has 192 votes. Remember that? They have had their own adventures and I just want to be the one to record them. I will learn real Indian politics and I will learn how to gain some hope from these independents. Yes, you heard that right, Alu. It is a new project for our nerd army and nerd friends. Are you happy? So are you, aren't you? What are the objectives here? One, I hope to get your help to get your hope back. Bahut meta. And two, to stop lying to you. More on that in a second. Pehle watch this footage. It's a sampler of what is coming.
प्रदीप सैनी वैसा है कविता कि आसान है करना प्रधानमंत्री की आलोचना, मुख्यमंत्री की करना उससे थोड़ा मुश्किल, विधायक जी की आलोचना में खतरा जरूर है, लेकिन ग्राम प्रधान के सामने तो पिटाई होना तय है। अमेज़न के वर्षावनों की चिंता करना कूल है, हिमालय के ग्लेशियरों पर बहस खड़ी करना थोड़ा मेहनत का काम है। बड़े पावर प्लांट का विरोध करना एक्टिविज्म तो है जिसमें पैसे भी बन सकते हैं, लेकिन पास की नदी से रेत बजरी भरते हुए ट्रैक्टर की शिकायत करना जानलेवा है। स्थानीयता के सारे संघर्ष खतरनाक है, भले ही वे कविता में हो या जीवन में।
We are going to Surat. From Surat we are going to a random place in Gujarat to talk to a random independent candidate with the hope that we will get some answers. Some very important questions, I must say. important questions. How do you plan to fight an election without crores of rupees in your bank account? Do you secretly have crores of rupees in your bank account? Do you have a cadre who will back up your insanity? Do you have a plan to build a cadre that will back up your insanity? How are you feeling? By the way, we did go to Surat to start this journey. These clips that you have been seeing, they are from that messy and amazing trip. And it's been a year since I fought elections now. Proposer मिल गया.
इलेक्शन लड़ रहे बीजेपी ऑफिस
Nomination has been filed. That 192 votes, and it's been bugging me. And I want to find out if independent candidates or at least put up a fight. We are in a car, in an unknown city, in an unknown state, in a place where elections don't work, and we are going to the railway station to pick up our friend philosopher guide, and then he will take us where he wants to take us basically for the next 3 days. That's the plan.
स्कैमर्स को स्कैम करना, तो मैंने स्कैमर से भी 750-800 रुपये ले लिया है।
Why would you believe in elections anymore? Because I'm asking that question. Why should I believe in elections anymore? But there are people out there who are still fighting elections independently. And also,
5-10 साल मेरे मम्मी इलेक्शन में रहे, तो लोगों से जुड़ाव बहुत हो गया था और वो सामने से बोलते थे कि आप इलेक्शन लड़ो, तो ऐसे आराम से जीत जाते थे, पैसे वैसे डालने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है। अभी इतना इन्फ्लुएंस कांग्रेस बीजेपी का दूसरी पार्टीज का हो चुका है ना कि लोग पार्टी देखते हैं, जबकि सरपंच एक वो व्यक्ति है जो पार्टी से कोई निस्बत नहीं है। अगर
तो मैंने पहले इलेक्शन लड़ा था, तब कैंडिडेट थे मेरे सामने, तब भी चुन के आया। अभी दूसरी बार इलेक्शन लड़ने जा रहे थे तो पूरा गांव ने बोल दिया कि अभी इलेक्शन नहीं करना। ये लड़के को भी
अच्छा, बिन विरोध जीते आप। अच्छा, और इंडिपेंडेंट
कोई किसी का ये नहीं, इसलिए हमको ये बार दूसरी बार सरपंच।
हाँ, सरपंच।
Just as a side note, by the way, and I have realized this after going on this journey, that independents just love to talk. They are always on this hero's journey where the people are always begging to make for them to fight elections, and that is why they win.
एक सिंबल की जरूरत है। हाँ, लोगों को सिंबल चाहिए। जब बड़ा इलेक्शन लड़ते, अभी हमारे विधायक लड़े चैतर भाई, वो इंडिपेंडेंट ही जीत सकते थे, लेकिन उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत आती हमें। और क्या है, नितिन भाई ने जो बोला ना कि पूरा ट्राइबल एरिया है, मेरा भी पूरा ट्राइबल एरिया है। उसमें अभी एजुकेशन बड़ा है, लेकिन 60% से ज़्यादा लोग 70 अप से अप एज। हाँ, तो क्या है, जो बूढ़े लोग हैं उनको कुछ पता नहीं चलता, उनको सिंबल देना पड़ता है यहाँ में
आगे जाने के लिए। और बड़ा क्यों कि कोई भी जो है कैंडिडेट निर्दलीय भी चुनाव जीत जाते हैं, बट उसका भी फ्यूचर देखते हैं कि इसमें से आगे जाके ये करो, आगे जाके ये करो। अभी सरपंच से भी मेरे को बोल रहे हैं कि ये बहुत ही बन जाए, वो भी सोचूंगा भी मैं निर्दलीय जीत जाऊँगा, वो कैसे आगे में देखूँगा उधर जाके। अभी वही निर्दलीय ही चुनाव,
सरपंच का इलेक्शन वो 50-60 लाख रुपए
50-60
आराम से, सापुतारा
1500 वोट के लिए
आराम से।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
सच में वो अभी एक विधायक का बाई इलेक्शन आया था।
मुझे बताओ कहाँ खर्चा होता है? अब मुझे नहीं, सही में अगर 50-60 लाख रुपए आप खर्च कर रहे हो, किधर खर्चा कर रहे हो, किधर जा रहा है? पब्लिक मतलब बांट रहे हो? हाँ, बांटते भी हैं, हर एक इंडिविजुअल को
हर इंडिविजुअल को 5-5
जैसे मेरे घर पे 5 लोग हैं, मेरे घर पे 5 लोग हैं, तो 5 लोगों को 500 रुपये या 1000 रुपये।
500 तो बहुत कम बोल रहे हैं, अभी तो और ज्यादा रेट है।
तभी तो बीजेपी जीतती है।
सरपंच की इलेक्शन में अरे मुझे कैसे, मतलब ट्रस्ट कैसे हुआ पता है? जैसे
मेरा थोड़ा सा सर दुख रहा है।
नहीं,
बीजेपी ने पूरा कंपटीशन ही खत्म कर दिया है। कांग्रेस क्या बोलेगा, मैं एक पर पर्सन 5000 रुपये दूंगा, दो जितनी ताकत है तुम लोगों को, मैं 15000 दूंगा एक बंदे को।
बीजेपी
सोचो,
Yep.
मतलब ऐसा समझ लो कि 1 करोड़ चाहिए।
1 करोड़ चाहिए। मैं भी
चाहिए।
बोल रहा था 1 करोड़ चाहिए।
वो भी कैंडिडेट अभी समझ लो कि सुभाष भाई और ये है और प्रवीण सर, हम 3 हैं।
हाँ।
तो पकड़ लो तुम कि नीतीश भाई है, तो पकड़ लो तुम, उसमें नीतीश भाई अच्छे हैं, हम तीनों कुछ वीक है,
हाँ।
और आप 5वें खड़े हो रहे हो, तो 1 करोड़ आप पकड़ लो। नहीं तो फिर ऐसा समझ लो कि नीतीश भाई और आप और ये, आप तीनों में फाइट है, तो फिर 1 करोड़ प्लस पकड़ लो।
मेरा बजट था 1.5 लाख रुपए। मैंने खर्चा किया 25,000 रुपए। आई नीड टू reevaluate a lot of things.
Maybe not make a manifesto this time.
Maybe not make a. Why waste time making a manifesto when you can just collect money and spend it and buy voters? Yeah, I think one of the things that I'm learning also is that our election commission is useless. Absolutely fucking useless. Other than their whole vote chori nonsense that they do, I am also realizing how bad they are at controlling this menace of money and daru and havas when it comes to elections, and it is scary when you think about it, because all of this is happening in rural India. In cities maybe we can ignore it, but this is the reality here, and this is most of the population that we are talking about who gets to experience democracy in this wonderful way.
अपने जैसे इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट क्या बोलते हैं, भिखारी।
भिखारी, सही बात है,
ये भिखारी क्या कर लेगा?
सही बात।
तो हम जैसे भिखारी एक हाथ पर तुक्के से जीत भी जाते हैं,
हाँ।
तुक्के से
क्योंकि लोग गुस्सा हो
वो लोग गुस्सा हो जाते हैं।
मतलब लोगों को कैसे इंस्पायर करते हैं वो आपके साथ चले, लड़े, इलेक्शन लड़े,
भड़काओ।
इंटरेस्टिंग। बट इतना
नहीं, but actually सच है, थोड़ा सा।
बहुत सही बोला, बिल्कुल सही। आप घुमा के वही बोल रहे थे ना।
हाँ सर, यही बोल रहा था।
लोगों को भड़काओ। जैसे क्या है तुम्हारी इज्जत, तुमको कौन पीछेगा? अपना आदमी चाहिए, मैं अपना हूँ, मेरे साथ आओ।
Start this just in an experimental way. Maybe something called price of your vote. एंड जस्ट लोगों को पूछ के कोई भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में थोड़ा सा एवरेज लगा के करंट रनिंग प्राइस ऑफ वोट पब्लिक कर देते हैं। जस्ट दैट, लोगों को इंटेलिजेंस मिला है हमको ग्राउंड से ये प्राइस चल रहा है वोट का, बिकॉज ये ना डिसरप्ट कर सकता है सिस्टम को पूरे। बिकॉज आई टेल यू वॉट, राइट, विच इज लाइक if there is like this bidding war which they said,
7,000
we set a price. We set the price. It will have some wild effects.
of course.
Sorry, random.
नहीं, but actually
Yeah, that was one trip. And we haven't really even fully figured out what to do with this footage yet. And then I had this mega brainwave. Why don't we turn this into a travel show? Because why not? April 2026, we are embarking on a mega journey. We are going to Bengal to cover the elections, but in a way that you have never witnessed before, through the eyes of the little guy. And we'll continue to do this till we cover the glorious country called India. Why do I have to say that? It would be just me, my best cinemat Satvik, who is standing right there. इधर चेहरा तो दिखा दे भाई मतलब ये देख, ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है, डायरेक्ट कर रहा है अभी। My car and the wildest, sometimes the scariest places that India has to offer, all to find out how elections actually work for the little person, the underdog. These are the candidates who voters make fun of. Believe me, I know.
Like he's like a doormat to somebody. तो डोरमैट्स को कोई वैल्यू नहीं है मार्केट में भाई।
You know which party?
बीजेपी ने पूरा
On the 12th of April, we are setting off on a journey to... Yeah, we are going to Naxalbari. a place which has experienced complete system collapse at one period of time. I wanted to find out why the fuck would someone stand from elections in that place. There has to be a special kind of crazy who is capable of doing that. Welcome to the Independents. Let's just fuck around and find out. Okay, so this is the part where I tell you how you can be a part of this, how you can help me. Going forward, I'm going to make everything for my wonderful nerd friends, my nerd army. You! Yes, you who is watching this. If you become a member, I will be giving you a lot of content. For instance, these clips that you just saw, yeah, we are turning them into podcasts. These will be released from time to time for members of this channel so that you get a raw, unfiltered look into these conversations. Basically, we are just putting this literal recorder in the middle of the room when we are talking to these people. So it will feel like you are also sitting in the middle of the room listening to these people. Your contribution will basically fund this expedition, this giant journey which will take us down many paths into funny territories and bizarre landscapes. I am against taking corporate or philanthropic donations, at least at this point of time in this project, because I want to maintain our integrity and I don't want any influence. Basically, we just want to fuck around and find out at this point. If you want to throw us into some random ass location in this country and want us to come back to you with stories of songs and hope and grit and greed and all of them together, where we meet crazy independent candidates who are fucking around and finding out, just like we are, please consider becoming a member. Please. Or you can just buy me a coffee. That's also fine. Link is below. Basically, I want to do everything I can to take you along with me in this journey. I mean, what else are you going to watch? No, you tell me. What are you going to watch? What? Dhurandhar? Screw that. Follow this channel. Follow the Independents. And I promise you, I will restore your hope. Whether you like it or not. Like literally मैं जबरदस्ती hope लाएगा तेरे life में. Long time ago, Giga Chad and best person on the planet, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, told us all to do 3 things. Educate, agitate, organize. I'm going to listen to him and do it. Nerd friends, this is Project Omelette. Yeah, it's finally happening. अंडा से ऑमलेट निकल ही गया and trust me, it is going to be a wild adventure and it is going to be delicious. Join us.